early to bed, early to rise. Makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Do you get up early in the morning? ପିଲାମାନେ ତମେ ସବୁ ସକାଳୁ ଉଠ? ଆଚ୍ଛା, କାହିଁକି ଉଠ? Yes, the sun is rising. Everyone is rising. So we must rise in the early morning. What can you hear and see around when you get up? What can you hear and see around when you get up? तुम्हें सकाळू उठी सारला परे काहाकू देख? कह तो? Yes, we see sun, the birds, the trees, the goat, the cow, the farmers. Everyone get up early in the morning and they do their work as usual. ସମସ୍ତେ ନିଜ ନିଜ କାମକୁ କରନ୍ତି, ସକାଳୁ ଉଠନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ନିଜ ନିଜ କାମ କରନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ so we must rise or wake up early in the morning. guess करो ଆଜି କଣ ପଢିବା? Yes, today we will read about a poem on wake up. Now you close your book and listen to me. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees. You can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's too much late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. Wash and dress and come out. Everyone is up and about. The crow, the horses, the dogs and the sheep. Wake up, wake up, wake up. अच्छा पिला माने देखो पोएम टी को भलो करी देखो। पोएम टी रे केतेटा पैराग्राफ अछि देखिलो? 1 2 और 3. How many paragraphs are there? There are 3 paragraphs. Who has written the poem? C. Fletcher is the poet. Who has written? C. Fletcher is the poet. ला अच्छा केतेटा लाइन अछि प्रति पैराग्राफ रे? How many stanzas are there in each stanza? How many lines are there in each stanza? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. In each stanza there are 6 lines are there. Who is saying wake up, wake up? Who is saying wake up, wake up? The poet or the mother is saying wake up, wake up. How many times the word wake up is repeated? 1 2 3 4 5 times. How is the poem? How is the day? The day is lovely. Who are singing? Who are singing? The birds are singing. What are the bees doing? Bees. What are they doing? They are buzzing. Who is sleepy head? Who is sleepy head? The child who lie in the bed is sleepy head. What will the child do after getting up? After getting up से उठी सारला परे कौन करिवो? After getting up, the child will wash his face, dress and go to play. Who have already got up? Who have already got up? Look at your book. There is the answer: the crow, the horses, the dogs and the sheep. Everyone is up and about. Which things in the poem do you like? ए poem रे तुमको को लाइन टा बेसी भल लागिला? We like the singing birds and buzzing bees in the poem. We like very much. Very good. Now comprehension activity. This is multiple choice question. You have to select the right answer. The poet in this poem seemed to be dash. Active, busy, sleepy, lazy. Yes, active. The birds are singing in the dash. Sky, nest, trees, cages. Yes, the birds are singing in the trees. Who are buzzing? The bees, the birds, the horses, the flies. Yes, the bees are buzzing. The poet talks about dash, horses and cows, crows and dogs, sheep and dogs, horses, dogs, crows and sheep. Last one is correct. Now I am going to read aloud the last stanza of the poem. You have to complete the blanks. Wash and dress and come out. Everyone is up and about. The crow, the horses, the dogs and the sheep. Wake up. এই পাঠরে কিছু ডিফিকল্ট ওয়ার্ডস কি ওয়ার্ডস শিখলে সেই ওয়ার্ডস গুড়াকর মিনিং আজি শিখিবা ହେଲା বজিং বি হোয়াট ইজ द মিনিং অফ বজিং বি হুমিং বিজ গুণু গুণু ହୋଇ ଶବ୍ଦ କରୁଥିବା ମହୁମାଛି ଫ୍ରେଶ୍ ଅପ୍ ୱାଶ୍ ୟୁର ସେଲ୍ଫ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଗେଟ୍ ରେଡି ଧୁଆ ଧୁଇ ହେଇକରି ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହୋଇଯିବା ବାହାରି ପଡ଼ିବା ଗେଟ୍ ଅପ୍ হোয়াট ইজ द ମିନିଂ ଅଫ୍ ଗେଟ୍ ଅପ୍ ଲିଫ୍ଟ ବେଡ୍ ସେଜ ଛାଡ଼ି ଉଠିବା ରାତିରେ ଯେ ଶୋଇଥାଉ ଆମେ ସେଜରେ ତାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିକରି ଉଠିଯିବାଟା ଗେଟ୍ ଅପ୍ hurry up quick माने शीघ्र जल्दी lie in bed remain in bed सेजरे पड़ी रहबा बिछणारे सोई रहबा up and about active कर्मरत होगा सब बेले निजे को कर्म रे नियोजित करी रखिबा that is up and about wake up rise from sleep निदरु उठिबा को कहा जाय wake up now we will do next activity vocabulary. Look at your books, page number 78, session 4, activity number 5. Word match words under A with the words under B. One has been done for you. In A column, there is sound and in B column, there is the animals and birds and the human beings are there. We have to match the dog, animals or the human beings to their sounds or to their action. Like whining. What is the meaning of whining? It is the sound of horse. We have to match the whining to horse. And swimming is dog. Duck does swimming. Singing, whose action is singing? The bird's action is singing. Barking, dog. Bo. Dancing, the girl is dancing. Buzzing, the bees are buzzing. Now, after matching, make sentence. The horse is whining. The dog is swimming. The bird is singing. The dog is barking. The girl is dancing. The bees are buzzing. Let's play this game. This is the crossword puzzle. This is the crossword puzzle. We have to find the animals and birds from this puzzle. Like this. Look. This is R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. And C-O-W, cow. In this way, we have to find the animals and birds and write here. Now, use the name and write sentence like the example given below. The cow gives milk every day. The duck gives us egg. And the cat kills rat. And the hen gives us eggs. The crow wakes up early in the morning. The bees collects honey. Honey collect करन्ति से माने honey माने कोन महुमाछी महु संग्रह करन्ति. The horses carry us. Then in E number Arrange the words in the box that have same sound at the end. Rhyming words. Wake up, get up. Ducks, frogs. They play. Trees, bees. Frogs, ducks. Bed, head. In the poem, you can see the words like get up, wake up, hurry up. Now, we can use the small word up after some words. देखो पिले get शब्द रे up लगिले get up हुए सेमती हरी रे up लगिले hurry up सेपरी wake up कौन हबो wake up look up put up ताको कंप्लीट करिकरी खाता रे लिखिबो. Now the writing activity. Who are singing? The birds are singing. Why are they singing? They are singing as the sun is rising. What are the bees doing? The bees are buzzing. What will the child do when it gets up? When the child gets up, it wash up and dress up. Wash. Look at your poem and find the answer. The child get up, he or it washes himself and dresses and comes out to play. Next, who have already got up? Who have already got up? The crow, the horse, the dogs and the dog are already got up. Next activity, D. Page number 81. Given below are lines of the first stanza. They are not in order. Poem ta दिया है से poem ta order रे नहीं. जेमति कि wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up. ताकू लाइन अनुसार ठीक order रे ताकू लिखिबो तमे. हला को लाइन टा प्रथमे लिखा है ताकू नंबर 1 ता पर नंबर 2 एमती ताकू order रे लिखिबो. Last activity, rewrite the following sentence like the example given below. It's a lovely day. The day is lovely. It's a lovely day. The day is lovely. It's a beautiful garden. The garden is beautiful. It's a useful book. The book is useful. It's an attractive sight. The sight is attractive. It's an interesting game. The game is interesting. It's a fine morning. The morning is fine. एपरि भाबरे तमे ताको सुंदर भाबरे बही रे एवं खाता रे लिखि के देखिबो. तापरे ऑर्डर द फॉलोइंग लाइंस टू गेट स्टैंजा. गोटे स्टैंजा दिया है ताकू मध्ये एफर्ट सपोर्ट करा है ताकू तमे गोटे स्टैंजा पाइबा पई ऑर्डर रे लिखो. ओके, लेट्स मेंटल टॉक. इट्स ए लवली डे. इट्स ए लवली डे. लेट्स प्ले एंड एंजॉय. इट्स ए लवली डे. लेट्स प्ले एंड एंजॉय. याकू तमे मने मने मुखस्त करियो. Let us think. Should we only play on a lovely day? Should we only play on a lovely day? आमे एकाकी गोटे lovely day रे खेली परिबा की? Can we? Think. Very good. Think and reply. ठीक अछि पिला माने वर्तमान तो तुमर चैप्टर सरी जाइछि. तमे समस्ते बही रे एवं खाता रे सुंदर हैंडराइटिंग रे लिखि करी मते शीघ्र पठाइबो. किछि प्रॉब्लम हेले मते कांटेक्ट करो. Thank you. Have a nice day.